So let us solve the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. So since we are given a general form of the equation of a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, we're just basically deriving the quadratic formula, which can be done by completing the square. So the first step is we need to eliminate the coefficient of the x squared term, which is a. So we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. To eliminate the a as the coefficient of x squared, we can divide both sides by a. Distributing this a to every term on the numerator, we have ax squared over a plus bx over a plus c over a is equal to 0 over a, it's just 0. Cancelling a here, we have x squared plus b over a times x plus c over a is equal to 0. The next step is we need to isolate the constant to the right side, so you can transpose c over a to the right or subtract c over a on both sides of the equation. So doing that, we will have x squared plus b over ax equal to negative c over a. And then we need to add a constant term on both sides of the equation so as to complete the square of x. So to find that constant, we simply divide the coefficient of the x term, which is b over a by 2. So it will be b over 2a, and then get the square of this answer, we will have b squared over 4a squared. So therefore, we can add both sides of the equation, the constant term b squared over 4a squared, to complete the square of x. So since the left side is a perfect square trinomial now, we can factor this as x plus b over 2a quantity squared equal to, so we can combine the right side as a single fraction, so getting the LCD of a and 4a squared, so it is 4a squared. 4a squared divided by a is 4a times negative c is negative 4ac, plus 4a squared divided by 4a squared is 1 times b squared is b squared. Or we can rearrange the numerator as b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. And then to eliminate the square of the left side, we can get the square root of both sides of the equation. So we can cancel the square here. We are left with x plus b over 2a equal to, so let's just put the plus minus symbol here on the square root of the right side, b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. And then we can distribute this square root symbol on the numerator and the denominator, so we will have plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over the square root of 4a squared. Simplifying, we have plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over square root of 4a squared is equal to 2a. And just copy the left side, x plus b over 2a. Finally, to solve for x, you just need to transpose b over 2a to the right or subtract b over 2a on both sides of the equation. So we will have x is equal to negative b over 2a plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Or combining this as a single fraction, since they are similar fractions, the common denominator is 2a. And then just combine their numerators, we have negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. So therefore, these are the solutions of the quadratic equation. X is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a.